Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the Amazon review for the MEE Audio Bluetooth wireless headphone system for TV. Includes wireless transmitter, Matrix 3 wireless HD headphones. This thing is amazing. Finally got it set up correctly. Let me tell you, I'm really impressed. I've just been testing it out for now about under a half hour, and got it hooked up correctly. I'm using the PlayStation right now for it to show you guys. I am using the optical cable, plugged it in like that, and I charged this up a little bit with the USB charge it comes with. If you guys can see it all the way down right there. Just plugged it in for a few. This thing, I'm running a PS4 Fire Pro and one of my speakers, so we're jamming on these right now. Sounds really cool. And also I have it hooked, the TV got it, so you can have it like a surround sound. Pretty impressed. This little device, where'd they go? Right here. This is on A side or B side. So you can have two devices hooked up to it. Headphones, portable speakers, and then all you gotta do is switch. Just switch on the side. Right there. Should connect. I gotta make sure it's on. These. I like these headphones. These sound really good, really clear. Let's see. There you go.
Disconnected.
Okay, that's going through the TV now.
Connected.
That's that. Turn this one down. Now we can hear the speakers are, shows it's going. Not sure why. It's giving me a little trouble. Okay. Should connect. Why is it not connecting now? It's shy.
Disconnected. Connected.
Alright.
Disconnected.
Oh, should automatically connect.
Connected.
Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me turn the TV down. There we go. So you got these going. Then you can switch it back to this one.
Disconnected.
And
Connected.
there we go. I mean, this thing is awesome. This little device. This MEE audio transmitter. Awesome stuff. Like I said, I just run the optical cable to the PlayStation down there, hooked it up, and then for old school TVs, in case you want to hook it up to, there's also the audio video cables, the red and the white they have, so that comes with it. Like I said, discount will be down below. Amazing. Yeah, you heard it first. 2 speakers, one's Bluetooth, and then headphones. There we go. Should switch it to.
Disconnected.
Come on, baby.
Connected.
No. It's working though. Get them at a good cost right now, YouTubers. And like I said, you guys will not be disappointed with this. Really cool. So thank you guys over at MEE Audio for sending me these. And YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. You guys have a great night. Be safe and see you guys soon.